Using remote, turning fireplace on. Using remote, turning the fire up. Using remote, turning the fire down. Using remote, turning the light up. Using remote, turning the light down. Using remote, turning fire, heat on, heat off, fire down, turning off.